everyone, we are from Newlacecu and today I will show you one of our topic. We named it Strong and Invisible. You can see why we call it strong and invisible because this part, all the part PU and this part this and this is very strong base, and the front it is this with very natural hairline, so it is invisible. So we call it strong and invisible base. And for the density, it is medium density. Also the note from the top view, it is very natural. You can do free parting. And also the style, it is freestyle. You can do any style as you like. We have the color. This is number 4 color. And we have number 1B to number 6 color. If you like, just contact us for the color you like. And also this size is 8 by 10. If you like other size, just let us know. So if you like, you can contact us. If we have the stock, we can do faster shipping for you. And if you need custom order, we also can do very fast producing time. Okay, thank you.